Hello, this is Praveen Vashne. I am a first year computer engineering student currently pursuing my integrated MTech degree from VIT Vellore. On the behalf of me and my faculty, Mr. Banglo Murarji, I am represented a documentary on the hot topic of today's world, suicide prevention. So, firstly, I told you the introduction of suicide prevention. Suicide is the act of intentionally causing one's own death. Suicide is the act of purposely ending one's own life. Nearly 1 million people worldwide commit suicide each year, with anywhere from 10 to 20 million suicide attempts annually. Suicide is the first leading cause of death for people 10 to 24 years of age. Now, major causes of suicide: an untreated mental illness, genetically predisposed, depression, fear to face the problems. Now, other causes: the death of a loved one, a divorce, separation, or a breakup of a relationship, losing custody of children, a serious loss such as job, house, money, a serious illness, a terminal illness, a serious accident, chronic physical pain, intense emotional pain, loss of hope, being victimized, physical abuse, verbal abuse, sexual abuse, alcohol abuse, drug abuse, feeling helplessness, inability to deal with a perceived failure, a feeling of not being accepted by family, friends, society, a horrible disappointment, bullying, low esteem. Now, suicidal behavior: self inflicted injuries such as cuts, burns, or head banging, reckless behavior, unexplained accidents, verbal behavior that is ambiguous or indirect voices are telling them to do bad things, request for euthanasia information, inappropriate joking, stories, or essays on morbid themes. Now, how to help? Be direct, talk openly. Be willing to listen. Allow expression of feelings and accept the feeling. Be non judgmental. Don't lecture on the value of life. Get involved. Become available. Don't dare him or her to do it. Now, who can help? Healthcare professionals, physicians, pediatricians, nurse practitioners, physician assistant. Mental health professionals, psychologists, social workers, primary and secondary school staff, principals, teachers, counselors, nurses, college and university resource staff, counselors, student health services, student resident services, resident hall directors, and advisors. Now, suicide prevention. A suicidal person may not ask for help, but that doesn't mean that help isn't wanted. Most people who commit suicide don't want to die, they just want to stop hurting. Suicide prevention starts with recognizing the warning signs and taking them seriously. Also, taking openly about suicidal thoughts and feelings can save a life. Why suicide prevention is important? Leading cause of death for teens. For every completion, there are between 50 to 200 attempts. 25% high school students report suicide ideation, attempt rate increasing for 10 to 14 years olds. Same risk and protective factors for suicide as other problem behaviors such as drugs, violence, risky sexual activity. Now, what can we do in college? Campuses that provide accessible resources or student services for academic assistance can help to reduce these feelings of failure or alienation. Students need to know where and from whom help is available. Now, what can we do? Campus personnel who are close to the students, such as students advisor, proctors, faculty and coaches, need to be informed about what to look for, as well as how to advise students on where to go for help. Now, conclusion. Teenage suicide is preventable occurrence and can be proven very easy to do if one has the correct knowledge and understanding it takes to help suicidal people. Fortunately, throughout the past 10 years, suicidal rates have dropped tremendously. One of the reasons for this may lie in the fact that so much talk over suicide is going, people will now recognize its importance and help their peers. Anyone who is thinking about suicide should have friends that know how to deal with suicide in order to help them with their problems. Suicide in general is a very horrific and distraught thought. Thank you.